guess it's keep your jaw still, top.
How much you paid for all that?
No? Right. Cardboard.
Cardboard. You don't look, look, you look like you're chewing it. There you look. I was about 8 minutes and I'll be ball back.
I'll let him the chicks in the tree.
I'm Tom, lad.
Alright, oh, well, we're coming.
Oh, I can't believe that he's crashed.
Can I get in there, Emily?
What do you think? I did it.
I was just...
Right, hold on. That's it. Just can I get out?
We're not trying to box, are we?
Come on, get out. I can't throw the fucking front door. Keep it that.
Well, where's all the boxes gone?
I don't know. Otherwise, can I get out? So I fucking climb over the trailer. I reflect the weight. These are
Well, Martin, I'll do it down, try and stop him like the way he's chucking them boxes. Blakey.
Laura, try and get out.
Hey, you've left the fucking corner in that shirt earlier.
The sack bar, no.
You want, oh, but they want the sack bar pigeon. I'd rather give them Marvin's boat. I'd rather give them Marvin's boat trailer than that sack bar.
Hey man, you fucking want to go please?
Well, they can't build you for it.
Right. In the morning. At least it's a combat, Andrew. You know what I mean?
Oh, but I'm coming.
Fucking mushroom is stupid. Fucking hell, man. Andrew.
Stand still before I can even focus on you. You're moving too quick, man. Your hands on your hips.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Doing the teapot, Blake.
Oh, Grace is kicking Josh, do it, man.
What were you doing? You took
I don't know what's going on. Fucking idiot. Right.
Yeah. Right.
Are you coming up or not?
I want to finish my bang. Yeah, can I get a tie bunny egg? Hey, you trying to sell that trailer now with that pause? Ready, steady, he's Blakey.
Have you got me ice? You fucking around. I'm not about me ice. I'm going to punch him all over.
Only the bastard.
He reckons he's fucking got a strawberry back on one of them lying from. Put out switch. The liar.
Who sharpened your knees? They're pointing his fuck.
Pardon?
Who sharpened your knees? They're pointing his fuck.
Fuck off, we hear him. Daft cunt. Andrew, I need some ice or something.
I got your eyes, give us a sec.
Yeah,